policeman that work for the house. The man that killing everybody. The man is not a madman. Nothing is wrong with that man. The man always calling on no government, on no government. That is Nnamdi Kanu that sent on no government to come and killing police people. One day he will carry the gun and started killing everybody. He woke up early in the morning. He didn't go anywhere. He just opened her door, come out, scatter window, started shooting all those guests inside house. Started shooting them. Immediately he saw my husband. He just gone and just pieces my husband's stomach.
According to what my sister said, that some of the girls that he killed, that he shot inside, they were still sleeping. According to her, they were still sleeping inside. He had to break the louvers and started shooting them inside. The cook were still inside there, so he shot the guy, but he was thinking that the guy is dead. So the guy now rushed inside the toilet and hid himself. It was when the guy now heard people voices outside. That was when the guy came out. By then, he has told the SARS people that it was unknown gunmen that was shooting the whole thing. Meanwhile, it was him.
As I was washing clothes, my husband just opened it. I saw the man. I should have asked that man what is going on, because if you know the man is our neighbor. We normally use staying with the man and discuss and talk, laugh. The man is not a drunkard. The man even is not a smoker. I used to stay with the man. We used to talk. When my husband opened the gate, she saw the man to come and ask that man what is going on. Who is the person that's shooting the gun? And they don't know that it's the man that they went to go and see. Immediately he saw my husband. He just come to gun and just pieces my husband's stomach. He shot him 3 bullets in the stomach and 2 bullets in the hand.
So he now had to rush to the main road calling for help. So people couldn't come out because everybody was afraid. Until one man now came with his boss. He went to like 3 hospitals and they rejected him.
Why?
Because of gunshots.
Because of Nigeria now, once he's gunshot, they will not treat you until they get police reports. Even the people in Park Lane, the reason they started treating them was because police now came.
Yes.
That was the reason why they started taking care of those people. If not, they wouldn't have.
But policeman open mouth say the man is a drunkard. The man is a drunkard. The man is my neighbor. Since I know the man, I've never seen the man drink chocolates or smoke, but then turn it is a drunkard. Which drunkard? Even the place where the man they live, they have never seen the man carry drink in the hand, chocolates or drink in the mouth. The man is not a drunkard. That policeman that say the man is a drunkard, that means it's the two of them have the business in that compound. That man is not a drunkard.
I think the purpose of doing all those things, shooting anyone that sees him, is because he doesn't want anybody to know that he was the one doing it. And he never knew that the cook was still alive. He even called one of his police officer for him to come down. That one said no, that he's not around.
And he told him to come with his
yes,
uniform.
that he should that one should come with his uniform. That unknown gunmen are here shooting people. That was what he now told SARS when SARS came. That was now what he told SARS people.
So
until the cook now came out, assuming the cook didn't come out, nobody would have known that he was the one that did it. And when they do all those things, they tag it IPOB or all those things. So why would police be killing people and they will start accusing innocent citizens, innocent youths? Because me, I don't understand. Because this policeman purposely did this thing, and I heard he was saying that he will confess. So I want to hear that his confession. And he pretend that he was not the one, even helping police to look for the people doing it. You imagine that kind of a thing. 2 girls survived from the shooting.
2 girls and a boy
died immediately. With my friend's husband and one other gate man opposite their house.
That 2 girls that died immediately, they are from Cotonou. That boy, maybe an Hausa boy, Joshua, now he be gate man. You understand? And that one they shoot on for Abdul Hausa man again. He's still there for Park Lane. But that 3 people died instantly.
Instantly.
Plus that gate man wey dey there.
The guy under the gutter that he shoot his 2 legs was the one that used his phone and call his brother at the blue gate. Then the brother now called the main oga. That's when the oga now called the officer there. Then officer now rush and come.
Okay.
You understand? That's how they know what is happening itself. You understand now? That's
So-
how they know what's happening.
So his magazine didn't finish.
Yes, he didn't finish. Oh. Even when the officer came, he had cocked another one.
You know that
He cocked another one. The first one finished. He now fixed another one to start shooting again.
Okay.
But unfortunately, the other officer now came and now told him that he heard that you are the one shooting. He said no, that it was unknown government that came. That thank God he have killed 2 people. You understand? Then the cook inside now started shouting that somebody should hear that it was him that shooting on, that was killing everybody here. That nothing like unknown government.
So what is the name of this police officer?
we don't know his name.
We called him
Normally
officer.
we used to call them officer.
Officer
or
or
mopo. That's what we used to
So they
call
don't wear their names.
them. No.
Except they are going to
Except they are
work.
going to work.
If Oga is around.
When they are going to work with the Oga, they will now wear
But
the
Oga
uniform
is not
with their
around.
name. They will just wear mufti.
So the guy is not around.
No, the man is not. He's a white man. He's not around. All I want is for justice to be served. They should. But for me, I want them to find out what made the man to do this kind of a thing. Because so far as we are concerned, he used to play with them. They used to sit down and talk. So for him to now wake up in the morning and started shooting the people he's protecting, people that is living inside the same compound, the people that he's working with, and killing other people, both passerby. I heard a pregnant woman, he shot them.
As for now, I'm not doing anything. I'm a housewife. I can't train these children. I can't even bring money for food, talk less of to train them to school. Let government to come and help me, so that I will see who will train my children, so that we can eat. Let government help. Let them help. Let them come and help me.